When I come out to a Habitat site, I can see through all of you that what we do here is more than building homes. We're building relationships and we're building futures. I just am so grateful for each of you who are willing to do that with us and stand alongside of us.
I just want to let you all know that this project represents the best of what we can accomplish when we work together. We've had builders, volunteers, donors, and the community all come together to make this possible. In just 10 days, 4 professional builders and their incredible teams have joined us to complete 4 beautiful, high-quality townhomes for hard-working Habitat families.
To give my girls something that we can call our own is amazing. Thank you, thank you, thank you again.
There was nothing here 8 days ago. We have 3 different builders helping us, but also we depend a lot on donations from different donors. One of them who is very important is Ironfish. Their owner is on our board of directors, so he connected us with Urban Surfaces. They donated a floor for one of our units. They have been super helpful from day one. It's just been great to work with them.
I wanted to reach out and find an organization that gave back to the community, that helped build something we believe in, which is affordable housing for all. The need is so dramatic in Orange County, and the faster the homes are built, and the less expensive that they are, the more families that can be served. We believe in our core values of giving back when we can, and this is a great example of how we do that and why we do it.
Having a home is going to grant us a stability and a community that we haven't had in a while.
This feels great because this is like the payoff that we get through all the hard work. They have been here every day, every time they come. She makes me cry because she's just so happy and grateful, and this makes all the hard work worth it. Seeing them on their new home, it just makes everything worth it.
This is a great feeling to see this many volunteers working, the dedication they provide to the community it's moving, and it's also great to see.
Habitat did a great job. It's beautiful in there, so I'm just happy for them that they get to go into a brand new, beautiful house.
I'm so grateful of Urban Surfaces and Ironfish for what they have done for us, and hopefully it'll be a relationship that's going to last so many years. But they're definitely changing the lives of our homeowners.
Home building is about much more than just constructing houses. It's about building hope and opportunity. The builders who participated in this year's Builders Blitz, along with our vendors, tradespeople, and suppliers, have shown incredible generosity and dedication. Their craftsmanship and commitment to excellence will provide families with safe, beautiful homes for generations to come.